need for the cauliflower patties is 1 whole cauliflower, rinsed, dried up, and chopped up. You're gonna need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of cheese. You can use any cheese you prefer. You can use cheddar, you can use provolone. In this particular case, I'm using the 4-blend Mexican cheese. You're also going to need 4 eggs and breadcrumbs. And since I don't have breadcrumbs today, I'm going to be improvising using the sun chips in the garden salsa flavor. You can use any brand of chip you prefer in any flavor. You don't have to worry about the flavor because it'll be fried up and cooked out with the oil later on. You're also going to need Parmesan cheese, about a tablespoon or so. It's optional. And for the seasoning and spices, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt for flavor, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric. And I'm also going to be using a couple tablespoons of canola oil to basically combine all the ingredients together. And we're just going to mix everything together. And we're gonna slowly add some flour just so it can thicken up the mixture. So the next step is pretty messy, so we're gonna wear our gloves and we're going to get a little bit of the mixture and basically form a patty in your hand like this. And we ended up not using the oil as much because the egg already had a lot of liquid in it, so we didn't really need to use the oil as much. And then we're gonna put it in our sun chip mixture and coat it. And we're gonna put it into the pan and let it fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So I put about 5 patties into the pan, and I'm gonna go ahead and flip them. They almost look like chicken tenders. And if you give them enough time to cook, they will already like form together, so you're not gonna have to worry about it falling apart. And these 2 I just recently put in, so we're gonna give it a little bit more time, 2 more minutes, and it should be done. So the patties are done, so we're gonna take them out of the pan.